Saving money can feel unappealing when it seems like you have to give up everything you enjoy. But here's the truth. Saving doesn't mean you can't live your life. It simply means being more intentional with how you spend. You don't need to stop going out with friends, cancel your favorite subscriptions, or survive on instant noodles. In this lecture, we will look into practical ways to save more without feeling deprived. It's about small adjustments that protect your quality of life while still growing your financial cushion. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to identify common spending areas where small changes can lead to big savings. Use simple hacks to reduce expenses without giving up the things you enjoy. Understand how lifestyle tweaks build long-term savings habits. Create your own save without sacrifice strategy. Change the language around saving. Instead of seeing saving as cutting back, try viewing it as buying freedom. Freedom from financial stress, debt, and last-minute emergencies. Saving isn't about restriction. It's about creating options. Every amount you set aside, no matter how small, is a deliberate choice to invest in your future, not a sacrifice or punishment. Identify your leak zones. These are the areas where your money disappears without you realizing it. Common examples include food delivery, subscriptions you don't use, streaming platforms, apps, gym memberships, impulse purchases, especially during sales or late-night online browsing, transportation costs, like frequent ride-hailing or avoidable fuel use. You don't need to cut these out completely. Just find smarter ways to manage or reduce them. Make substitutions, not sacrifices. Saving money doesn't mean cutting out all the things you enjoy. It means being intentional and creative with your choices. The goal is to keep your quality of life while reducing unnecessary costs. Here are some practical ways to swap, not sacrifice. Love dining out? Instead of multiple takeout meals a week, treat yourself to one nice dinner out and cook similar meals at home. It'll cost less and still feel satisfying. Subscribe to 3 streaming services. Stick with one and rotate monthly based on what you want to watch. You'll barely miss the others and save a good chunk over time. Replace Uber rides with a short walk or public transport a few times a week. It's cheaper and often healthier too. Instead of shopping to treat yourself, build a fun fund and use it guilt-free when the time's right. These kinds of substitutions allow you to enjoy your life without overspending. It's not about giving things up. It's about gaining control and making smarter decisions with your money. Automate small wins. Small habits can lead to big savings. Set your bank app to round up purchases and save the change. Schedule a $1 a day auto transfer to savings. It adds up over time. Treat cashback or rewards like real money and save them. Try a weekly no-spend day to cut back without effort. These small wins build momentum without feeling like a sacrifice. Get creative with free or low-cost alternatives. Fun doesn't have to be expensive. Try free local events or online concerts, swapping books or movies with friends, hosting a potluck instead of dining out, using the library. Yes, it still exists. Saving becomes easier when your lifestyle supports it, not fights against it.